Hey guys, we're going to go over another alert that comes into the system. We'll go over to the Discord channel. We can take a peek here and see that Rose gave us a technical alert for an ATR expansion. I added the inverse of this tonight for ATR contraction. So you're going to say, what is ATR? I have no idea what this is, right? ATR stands for the average true range, which is a technical indicator used in trading to measure market volatility. ATR tells us how much an asset typically moves up or down during a period of time. And our period of time in this instance is 14 bars. So we're going to look back over 14 bars and see what the action looked like. It doesn't give us any indication whether it's bullish or bearish. It only measures volatility. Okay, so if we take a look at the alert here, we can see that we got a 73 on the ATR, and the average over the past 14 candles was 48. All right, so we had an increase of 52%, which triggered that alert. That alert came in on this candle here. We can kind of see that the sellers are pushing it down and buyers are trying to hold it up. So there's a lot of buying and selling taking place during this candle, which is causing some volatility, which would have been higher than the average over the past 14 candles, right? So we could take a look at this candle. We could see there's a lot of buying going on here and then a lot of selling. And where it bounced off of that band, came back up, closed around here. So this candle was the 7 o'clock candle. We'll come back here, search for Rose USD in colon, and we're going to pick our micro alert channel just so I can have it. We'll scroll down to that time frame, and here it is right here. Came in at 10 a.m. on the 7 o'clock candle. So when you have the inverse of this and you get an ATR contraction, that's when this value is going to fall below the average. Okay, so when that falls below the average, you're going to get an alert. It's going to let you know, like something like this. When you're moving flat, you're going to probably fall below the average. But there's not much movement, not a whole lot of volatility going on here. But the longer you go back and forth like this and you're kind of moving sideways, the lower and lower that average is going to get, right? So then you start getting candles like this, which are going to exceed that average. This is going to fire off some of those alerts, especially when the candle looks anything like this. Okay. So basically that's what the ATR is. That's what it kind of means for us. Again, it doesn't give us any direction whether this is a bullish or a bearish thing. It's just a measure of volatility.